What's up YouTube, it's Sabersman31 and today I got a box of 0809 Be a Player, so I'm gonna open that. It was on sale, so okay, so here's the first pack. And Nathan Horton, Pierre-Marc Bouchard, J.R. Shiger, Brad Boys, and Saku Koivu. It says that there's an autograph in each box. I hope they're right. Stephen Weiss, Ilya Kovalchuk. Signatures, Jacob Voracek, Mark Recchi, and Lee Stepniak. So, yeah, that was my box of 0809 Be a Player. And this is the only hit of the box, the rest were base. So, comment what you think of the box, and peace out.